Well, hi guys, welcome. Do you want to know how to say something or someone is in or at a place? In Filipino, of course. Well, you're in the right place. Please don't leave. You're only going to use the sentence pattern nasa, place, then ang or si, then the subject. So nasa means is at or is in English. I'm going to give you an example for you to better understand the sentence pattern. But before that, I'm going to show you some vocabulary you're going to need for this lesson. You have nanay, mother, bata is a child, libro as book. Kusina is for kitchen. Cuarto as room. Mesa as table. So we use the sentence pattern to say where something or someone is. So let's go and take out your notebooks and your pens. So we'll use our sentence pattern. Nasa, place, si, or ang, then the subject. Mother is in the kitchen. So how do you say that in Filipino? We'll use nasa, then the place is kusina, and we'll use si this time, then nanay. The subject, mother, right? So, another example for you to really master it. The book is at the table. The book is at the table. How do you say those words in Filipino? We use our hero word, nasa. The place is the table. The table in Tagalog is mesa. Very good. Nasa, mesa. We'll use ang. Then, libro, it's kind of hard switching from Filipino accent to English. Nasa, mesa, ang libro. What about the kid is at the room? So we're going to use the same pattern again. And I'll say nasa, the place, the room, cuarto. Good. Nasa cuarto, ang, this time, bata is the subject, the child. So we have nasa kusina si nanay, nasa cuarto ang bata, and nasa mesa ang libro. So those are how you say those things. As simple and as easy as that. Well, so you use these particular sentences to answer questions asked of you in Tagalog, of course. So, nasaan si nanay? Where is mom? Nasaan si nanay? You'll say, mother is at the kitchen. Nasa kusina si nanay. Okay? When you're asked, nasaan ang bata? You'd say, nasa kwarto ang bata. The kid's just playing in the room. Nasa kwarto ang bata. Your brother or your sister is looking for the book. Nasaan ang libro? Hey, dude, nasaan ang libro? Then you'd be able to say, answer, nasa mesa ang libro. These are pretty simple sentences that you're going to be able to use daily. So, but you might be asking, when do I use ang and si for this situation? Well, it's pretty simple. Ang is used when you're talking about general subjects, somebody without a name, an object, like ang bata. The bata doesn't have a name, or referring to a general subject. But when you're referring, you're really calling someone with her or his name, then you'll use si. So for example, we're gonna name the bata Dexter. So we're gonna say nasa, our hero word, place, cuarto, meaning room. Nasa cuarto, si Dexter. Okay, we're gonna name the kid Dexter. We use si because Dexter is already a name. The kid already has a name, and it's Dexter. So we're using si, not ang, because ang is only used when referring to general subjects. We're done. Please don't forget to study Filipino and immerse in Filipino. Well, you could forget to like and subscribe. If that's what you want.